equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin with, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a multimeter, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Start by disconnecting the power supply to your device to ensure safety during the replacement process. Next, remove the screws securing the outer casing of the device. Typically, you will find these screws located at the back and sides. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully take them out. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the casing is off, gently lift it away to expose the internal components. Take a moment to inspect the area for any dust or debris. Using the soft cloth, clean the internal surfaces to ensure optimal performance after the repair. Now, locate the control board. It is usually situated near the power supply and connected to various wires. Before proceeding, it's wise to take a photo of the wiring layout. This will serve as a reference when you reconnect everything later. Carefully disconnect the wires from the control board. You may need to use your flathead screwdriver to gently pry off any stubborn connectors. Remember, if you reckon this is too hard, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you have expert advice at your fingertips. With the wires disconnected, you can now remove the screws holding the control board in place. Again, use your Phillips screwdriver for this task. Once the screws are out, gently lift the control board from its position. Be cautious not to damage any surrounding components. Now, it's time to install the new control board. Position it in the same spot as the old one and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Make sure it's firmly in place to avoid any future issues. Reconnect the wires according to the photo you took earlier. Ensure each connection is secure, as loose wires can lead to malfunction. If you're unsure about any connections, don't hesitate to reach out for our quote before repair service, which can provide clarity on any uncertainties. After all connections are made, it's essential to double-check everything. Ensure that no tools or loose screws are left inside the casing. Once satisfied, replace the outer casing and secure it with the screws. Finally, reconnect the power supply and test the device to ensure the new control board is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, remember, we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get professional help without the hassle of calls or travel. This service is designed to provide convenience and peace of mind. By following these steps, you should successfully replace the control board in your device. This process not only enhances the performance but also extends the lifespan of your equipment. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.